So today I'm going to show you how to quickly purchase a stock on Charles Schwab. So we're going to be here on the desktop to be able to go through this process. And right here, you're going to see we are pretty much on the main page of Charles Schwab. We have about $25 here in the account for us to be able to go ahead and utilize some of it to buy a stock. So we're going to see an option up here towards the very top where it says trade. So what we're going to go ahead and do is kind of hover over this. And you're going to see a plethora of different options. Now, if you're looking to buy just into individual stocks, what we're going to do is see an option here that says stocks, trade stocks. And then we have other options like option trading, mutual funds, bonds, CDs, and a few other different options. But we're going to go to the traditional route and do trade stocks. And so we click on here and it's going to show us this area here for us to be able to go ahead and plug in some information. Now, assuming you already have an idea of which stocks you want to buy, we're going to go ahead and plug in some of this information. You can look up symbols if you don't know the exact ticker numbers, but today, as an example, we're just going to go ahead and buy one stock of Ford, which is going to be ticker number F. Now, if we type in F, it comes up with a bunch of different companies, but we're just going to click on Ford Motor Company. And then next up, it's going to ask what kind of action we want to do, which is, of course, a buy in this scenario. And then it's going to ask for the quantity. We're going to just be buying one share for this example here today. But if you have a certain dollar amount, you can click calculator, type in the dollar amount, and then gives you an example of how many shares you can ideally buy. Now, there is another thing here that says order type. We have market order, limit order, stop, and stop limit. For this example, we're just going to do market order, which is very basic in order to just have the funds go in and purchase the stock. So we're going to click on order type. And you can see here timing just automatically gets erased here, so no worries because it'll just go through for you. There is another option down here that says reinvest dividends. If you want to have any dividends that you're getting paid out to just be reinvested with this company, just check mark this box here and you're going to be good to go. And then from here, we're going to click on review order for you. So we're going to go ahead and go here. And in this area, it's just going to verify everything for you. It does let you know that in this one, there are 0 estimated commissions. So keeping in mind, in case there might be some commission, you don't want to be overpaying if that's not something you want to do. And it's showing Ford and everything else through here. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and click on over here where it says place order to make sure we go through and have this placed. So once we do that, it says order received. And then you should get an email shortly after letting you know that, as well as an order number, having that understood that that is officially gone through, and on the next earliest opportunity, it will go ahead and buy the stock for you. If it's at night, it'll do it the next morning for you on the next available trading window. Now, I want you to learn how to actually go through the process and sell your shares of a stock on Charles Schwab. So check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.